Come and glow with Geeglow, honey. Come and glow, honey, with me. You get. Not too bad for you, for you, yeah, for you.
Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam, say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam. Anything you know I got it. Cash Madam, baby, Cash Madam, Cash Madam. V-money.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back, honey, as if I've never been gone. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did this week. I told you I'm coming with more. So the company I work with today is Beyond Beauty on Amazon. They sent me this cute hair, 24 inches, no locks, okay, from, as I said, Beyond Beauty. So I'm going to leave all their links down below and everything you need to order this look. So I decided to do a wig with closure because this summer I'm ready. I am completely ready this summer. Okay, so the contact lenses I wear today is from Just for Kira. This is the color Gem Blue, and you can use my discount code Geeglow to get 20% off. How cute is that? Do you guys like my makeup? I mean, I'm getting better day by day with this. I mean, guys, look at this hair. Wait. And these accessories are making the wig even more better. I mean, period. I'm ready for the summer. So okay, so you can lay your edges if you want, but I just wanted this hippie kind of look going on. I don't know why, but yeah, are you guys feeling it the way I am feeling it? So the accessories are even making the wig look much better. So this video is going to be very detailed for you guys, okay? So if you want to know how I did this wig all alone, okay, watch the full video because I bought many things to do this wig, okay? Watch it, you need to. If you want to know how I did this wig, just keep watching of the camera and all. But before you guys watch the video, I wanted to tell you guys that this wig has no weight. When I mean no weight, that's why I wanted to do a wig with this hair, because it has no weight, so it's very good for summer. So okay, now you can watch the video. Bye.
It's my day on the beats. And your girl be shout outs to Jackie, you know. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Anytime when I think of you, I don't know, I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Anywhere they need me to, you know I still come through. Give me love, yeah, forever, yeah. I the grace for you. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know, I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. Good morning, my lover. Oh my God, it's our wedding day. I'm still glad I found someone to hold till eternity. I don't need you more than I need to. Honeymoon far away from here. I the craze for your love. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Of the question, and yes, I do. My melody should strike a clue that I want you and only you. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Of the question, and yes, I do. Yeah, I go fight though. I go fight though. I go fight for you. mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. Don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. It's my day on the beats. And your girl be shout outs to Jackie, you know. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Anytime when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Anywhere they need me to. You know I still come through. Give me love, yeah. Forever, yeah. I had a craze for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. Good morning, my lover. Oh my God, it's our wedding day. I'm still glad I found someone to hold till eternity. I don't need you more than me too. Honeymoon far away from here. I dey craze for your love. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. My melody should strike a clue that I want you and only you. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. Yeah, I go fight though. I go fight though. I go fight for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. Don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. It's my day on the beats. And your girl be shout outs to Jackie, you know. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Anytime when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Anywhere they need me to. You know I still come through. Give me love, yeah. Forever, yeah. I had a craze for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. Good morning, my lover. Oh my God, it's our wedding day. I'm still glad I found someone to hold till eternity. I don't need you more than me too. Honeymoon far away from here. I dey craze for your love. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. My melody should strike a clue that I want you and only you. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. Yeah, I go fight though. I go fight though. I go fight for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. Don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. It's my day on the beats. And your girl be shout outs to Jackie, you know. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Anytime when I think of you, I don't know, I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Anywhere they need me to, but you know I still come through. Give me love, yeah, forever, yeah. I had a grace for you. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know, I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. Good morning, my lover. Oh my God, it's our wedding day. I'm still glad I found someone to hold till eternity. I don't need you more than me too. Honeymoon far away from here. I dey craze for your love. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. My melody should strike a clue that I want you and only you. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. Yeah, I go fight though. I go fight though. I go fight for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know, I feel loved again. Don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. It's my day on the beats. And your girl be shout outs to Jackie, you know. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Anytime when I think of you, I don't know, I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms.
If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there. Click the bell button, honey, for you to see more of this, and share. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, stay tuned for more videos. As I promised, I'm coming with more things, okay, because your girl is receiving many things lately. Anyway, I don't want to talk too much, so follow me on my social media, Instagram Naija Cutie, TikTok Naija Cutie, Snapchat Gloria Is It True Day, for you guys to see more of this my slayness. Okay, bye guys, love you so much. Thank you all. Peace. Love you. Estoy malita, en plan estoy constipada y aún así os he hecho video, ¿vale? Así que os tenéis que agradecer. Me tenéis que agradecer porque he hecho video estando enferma. Aunque no lo parezca, lo estoy. Estoy con mocos, que si tos, que si no sé qué, pero no es COVID, ¿vale? El COVID se ha quedado en el 2020. Period. For all the party girls. More on my TikTok, more things on TikTok, honey.
think of you. I don't know. I feel loved again. Don't want you waiting for this. Let me have you in my arms again, please.